There ain't nobody there.
That's why you keep looking for keys or something. I'm not kidding.
There's someone in there.
Where?
Hey guys, it's Ohio Scare Factory, back again with another video. Today we're at Crain's Run Nature Reserve, and apparently some spooky shit's happened here a couple times. So, we're gonna keep our eye out and see if we see anything interesting. So stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe.
Hope I'm getting it now.
My phone started out to be able to hold a charge. I'm gonna get it.
If I wasn't seeing because I didn't have to zoom all the way in. Don't just hit me.
What? This isn't the trail. It feels like over there.
That should be the fucking bike path, but I ain't trying to walk through bushes, bro.
I know. I thought that this was gonna be the way, but I guess not.
Guess not, people. It's time for the flashlight in this area.
Through that way? I can't get through that way. Maybe we should have went this way.
Is this brighter than yours?
Hell yeah, it is. Oh, wait, right here.
Hey, there's a pathway right there, bro. Yeah. There are people out here with us, so we're recording some. That's that open area, the entrance. Some are doing fireworks, brother.
I heard that.
I think this is that one other entrance for the go in the woods. Want to take a journey in the woods?
Yeah. Is there another road? Wait, have we hit the road yet that separated this? Because we want to make sure
No.
there's a good... We should go after we hit that road. Because I want to make sure there's a good expanse of woods to explore, you know what I mean?
This goes a minute.
Oh, this does? Before we get to the road?
Yeah, we go around in here.
Oh.
It goes up a little more. There's another opening up here too. We can take.
We'll probably do that one then.
Do a little recording out.
This is a really pretty area.
Bugs are like a bitch in this area though. See how it opens up out here a little bit. That other, we're almost pretty much to it. It's the end of it. Yeah, pretty much we're almost to it. Check the moon, man. Bright as fuck. How'd it get over here? It was just over there.
That's east. It's coming east. That's west.
But we're in the parking lot. It was on that side, remember?
It was there.
Now it's...
I feel like we're just a little
there.
twisted because of the way the trail is. I feel like our perception's just a little messed up.
I did hear something in the woods over there.
I do too. Like a snap. It's like something falling or something weird. Bugs are on it and they're like, what's up,
It's
bro?
in my hand.
They're like,
in the-
what's up, bro? And I'm like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? And they're like, your asshole's warm, bro. We're just trying to stay warm. And I'm like, oh, carry on then. And I just put them back.
What's that noise?
Frogs.
Oh.
Oh, you mean the "Hurr"? Sounds like logging.
Sounds like
Like a
creeping.
chainsaw.
Yeah, the bridge is like, damn it, right in my ear, man. Yeah, bridge is up around that curve out up there. But this is that other open area. I mean, Darren was standing at. The chick was running by. I caught her on video.
Nice.
I haven't watched all the full video of it yet, so I think I'm gonna put those on my channel. You know, because we're walking during the day. So.
No, just something peaceful.
Yeah, just pretty much telling this was a great place to go hike.
And a great place to find ghosts.
Yeah. So far. Yeah, that's that open area. Actually, a fucking road goes right there and it collapses down. It's weird. It's gone now.
We're still at Crain's Run Nature Reserve and still out here. It's starting to get dark. It's a beautiful night tonight. I hope we find something interesting, but we found a gorgeous view, at least for now.
Dun, 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 dun.
Apparently this road goes on for like ever, so this is a nice little reprieve.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the road you said collapsed. Look,
Yeah.
it's actually the pavement.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell? Let me...
More over here.
This says hail Satan.
Really?
Right here, hail Satan.
Huh.
Swear.
It does. Be careful, bro. This bitch don't clap on your ass. What?
Or the other side. It's legit creepy as hell. Be careful, but there's rebarb there, so you should be pretty good.
Ow, there's a tree there.
This is probably the most sketchy spot on the whole thing right here. See, it's cracked. And there's the hail Satan.
Yeah, that's it.
Look at this. Tell me this is not creepy. And there's movement in the bush. Tell me that's not creepy as hell.
Fuck yeah, bro. It looks like it ends over there, though. See it?
Let's find out what this.
What's in the bushes? That's what I want to know. I don't want to get sprayed by a fucking skunk.
I don't smell skunk. Oh my god. Hold up. We need something real quick. I need like
Spider
a
web?
stick. Yeah, there's a bunch of spider webs. I need like a stick or something.
I don't know, dude. Hell, this better not be in the road, Jack. I'll be pissed. Good boy. Get those spider webs. Huh, there's one.
Hey, can I talk to you? Bro, this is fucking creepy. I think this is where it ends.
Dude, it's actually cool. Me and Darren didn't see this last time because we didn't come back here.
Fuck 12 right here.
There's another fuck 12 bullshit.
Please. Get away from me. Kill the lightning bug. I feel bad now. Careful. Don't get too close to the edge, I'd say.
Well, nah, really? Ooh, what's this?
Breathe.
The penis. Why does everywhere we go there's a
Deceive.
fucking penis?
Don't.
That was a fish. That scared the fuck out of me
I
though.
think this is some kind of communication circle because it says deceived, breathe, don't.
B.
Be.
Yeah.
Be deceived, don't breathe. Or don't be deceived.
That goes about right
Maybe
there.
not. It's just like some kind of.
It's like this road ends right there. I ain't gonna fuck about it. Hey, someone's phone number's on. Nope, birth date.
This date. Pop, pop.
Pop, pop.
This fish are being really active.
I know, dude. That's why Darren comes down here to fish. They're active in this motherfucker. It's a good fishing area. I'm baked.
Same.
Oh, that's right there.
Yeah, same. There's a we need to do this. Somebody's trying to do.
Bon. What are y'all? That's kind of cool though.
This is creepy. Do you want to go the other direction?
Dude, it's brighter. We can go back. I kind of want to get the other side.
You do?
Over there where Darren's at. Dude, what's that?
That's battery.
Oh, look like a damn bullet. Where's that? Honestly, but that wouldn't be a bad place. Bad place to fucking sit and back or enjoy a cigarette.
Low key, want to go to the other side.
What?
I want to go look at what the other side looks like.
What? Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it connects to the bike path up here a little further. The other side.
Yikes. These sides would be creepy, bro. You can't be overgrown.
Yeah, definitely not walking in this motherfucker.
We can crawl it. Holy shit, that was
You're like sucks balls, bro.
It's artificial daylight right there. It's creepy as hell, bro.
That's my them. See the difference?
Mine reaches farther than
There
yours.
you go. See the difference now?
Yep. You hear that?
There's something in this path, bro. People farting, man. I didn't advertise.
Might be there.
Thank God. I thought that was in the hole and it ain't. It's big in another black hole. Some bitch. That's there now.
Another shovel head. Fucked it.
He might walk down with us on this other one.
Do you see that?
I don't know. What are you doing? Damn, dude, I almost walked off. Yeah, this is that open where the woods are at.
I'm so fucking glad we came.
What?
It's so pretty out here. Almost the happiest.
I wish the damn spiders stay in the fucking woods.
I ain't worried about spiders, you sissy boy.
I ain't worried about it. I'm just getting tired of hitting the guy fucking spider webs.
It's because jumping spiders are jumping around and we're getting trails.
Yeah, we need to stop.
We're all nature.
You suck. Shake it, shake it, woo, woo. We're almost to the beginning anyways. I figure, because that other side over there, dude, is like more spooky. We gotta keep our flashlights a little more downwards because you're by the road. Weird, man.
Because there's moonlight shining.
I know, dude, it looks weird back far distance, dude. Kind of looks like a fucking...
I think that we are on a never-ending trail. I think that we got caught in it, and I think that we are now stuck here forever. Because I do not remember walking this fucking far.
I told you we walked a good distance, brother.
Whatever, we're
And
just stuck on a never-ending trail.
And we still got... Well, we did walk across that fucking figure that was painted on the ground, remember? It said B, all that shit.
Yep.
You don't know what the fuck that meant. We might just enter their fucking century.
Yeah, we entered a never-ending pathway. We're just walking forever. It'll never end until we wander off.
But we're still
to the woods.
talking to Darren.
Darren will.
That's
You'll
creepy
lose
as
batteries.
fuck.
You'll lose batteries soon, and then the text to Darren will be the last thing that anybody hears about. Until we wander off into the woods and become a part of it.
It's all spooky. I'm just keeping an eye on people from riding their
Is that
bikes.
what I think it is?
I see a car. Was that a car?
Yep.
Fuck yeah. We're almost to the edge.
Sure. We're gonna get there, and it's gonna be another fucking opening,
Probably.
and there'll be some more
We're
trail.
probably back at that damn bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the ending of it. Yep. There we go.
Sure. That's just the bridge again. We're gonna turn around and try to get back again, and then we'll forever be caught there. And we go over the bridge. We're gonna go past the road. We're gonna turn on the road, and it's just gonna turn back into this.
That fucking light's bright as hell. It's the boogeyman. Shit, bro. Bigfoot. It's Bigfoot. Ow, I'm telling.
Telling who, Candace? Oh
Your
no, please
mom.
don't tell Candace.
Your mom.
Please don't tell her. I pushed you.
I'm gonna be seeing her tonight.
Or does it go away?
Alright, we're still over here in Crain Run Nature Park. It's the other side. Now we're going into another black hole. You see the wall. Car. Trying to make it look. Get some footage of light.
This side looks like it's got a little bit less inside.
It looks creepy to me that more in here. Feels like we're walking on a dam or something, you know.
Man, I got some editing to do tonight too.
I got some gameplay and Fortnite to do.
I have so much Minecraft footage, bro. I got 2 videos in the works right now, but I just couldn't be bothered. I need to, because I get fucking shitloads of videos.
The road's right next to us, ladies and gentlemen, so don't get trippy if you hear cars, because you do. This looks creepy as fuck walking up this way now. Dark as fuck down through here. Thought I heard something off to the right. Gotta get some footage of the water and the nature. God, it's creepy as fuck out here. When it's dark, I hear a boat. But the thing is, probably is a car.
Can't ride a boat down this. You see this fucking rock, bro? You fucking unfucked. You just
right?
wreck your boat.
That's why they use kayaks down here.
I would kayak the shit out of it, bro.
Hey, the tree's pointing to the right. See? See? I remember this. What's that say?
If you were stranded and dying of thirst, this is the area you'd want to
Or we can see Darren.
You see that thing sticking out right there? The farthest thing out. You see how there's moving water next to it, but at the end of the wooden one, there's stagnant water. If you got to the edge, you'd have to jump there. You could drink from that water. It might give you the shits, but it won't make you sick like that. You could get some drinks out of that, and it would be preferable.
Or just check that out.
But I mean, like, if you were in a survival situation. I think about those things when I see water like this. Running water is much safer to drink than stagnant water, because stagnant water breeds shit. Is this one thing that says fuck 12? Or was that the bridge we were back at?
I was back at the bridge. This is a different area, dumbass. I told you. We're on the other side now.
Fuck 12 here, which is...
What the fuck's that mean? What's that supposed to be?
Spider. That's what it looks like to me.
Looks like somebody's dead body was there in there. I said Darren should be like right over there. We're in the woods, low deep. Did you just turn the light on over there? Why am I addicted? I can't see now.
What?
Dude.
I was just remembering you being like, oh, he's like, I'll buy you a new fucking...
Fuck that, he ain't putting no
And
dead
like-
fish in my motherfucking shit.
But you get a
I
brand
just
new
bought
one.
it today. You better buy me the $100 one.
I'd be like, yeah, you buy me the next most expensive one. $30 cooler, bitch.
Yeah, those got cup holders on top.
Yeah, there you go. You should tell them that. Like,
Nah.
text them, like, hey, you can keep all
He
of
ain't
you
gonna do
want,
it.
but you gotta buy me the $30.
Dude, this is like creepy as shit, dude. I can't fucking see really. The moon's gone.
No, there's literally nothing there.
That's what I was saying, dude. I looked like it was something moving up there. That lightning bug's like, oh, crazy.
I hope the footage picks up all these flashes everywhere.
I hope so too, because I didn't zoom it in though. Every time I do that shit, I can't fucking see.
What?
Turn my flashlight on, turn it off, can't fucking see. Hell, the camera's seeing nothing but fucking darkness anyways. Hearing us talk. Come here! Shh. I see you. Freeze, motherfucker! Damn it, I can't see, bro. Oh my god.
God damn, I see nothing.
Is that a good thing? I've never been blinded by my own flashlight by
Stop turning it off.
turning it on, turning it off, and the motherfucker's like, I'm blinded.
I still barely see you. I'm still just not.
And it wasn't doing that shit when we were on the other side of the river, bro. Yeah, everybody there and it was an advertisement won't walk because he wanted to fish, but he's happy he caught 4 fish today. And I'm already losing. And it's fucking hard as hell to see down this fucking thing without a flashlight, really. It is. You guys are probably don't like darkness. But ah! I see you, bee! It's taking a shit! I hear somebody. Huh? What?
There's someone there.
Where?
I heard like keys jingle. I heard keys or something. I'm not kidding. There's someone there.
Where?
No, there's someone there. There has to be. I heard keys jingle.
I don't fucking see anybody though.
I'm not kidding, dude. I was sitting there pissing. I heard movement in the woods a little bit. And I heard fucking keys. All my life, I heard metal hit metal. Like change or keys. Okay, that was really fun, creepy. That was legit creepy as fuck.
Ah.